Good morning, sir. I'm here to discuss how to solve the deep GOM, and here's the solution I've discussed for this for this to solve your deep GOM. If TKM is 7.9 meters with total FSM, which is 4,000 metric ton per meter. To solve the kg, we need to add this weight of metric ton and the vertical moment, and the solution is, the first step is to solve the kg, which is total vertical moment over total weight, and our total vertical moment is 182,954.02 metric ton per meter, and our total weight is 23,065 metric ton, and divide na to siya, makancel ang MT, ang mabilin na lang is M, then pag divide na to siya, ang mabilin na lang is M, then ang answer is 7.93 meter. Then sa second step, solve for GM solid. TKM minus kg equals GM solid. Our TKM is 7.90 meters and our kg is 7.93. Minus na to siya, and the answer is negative 0.03 meter, which is atong GM solid. This is our GM solid. And the third step, to solve for GGO. GGO equals total free surface moment over total weight. Our GGO is here. Our FSM, which is GGO, 4,000 metric ton. And total weight, which is 23,065 metric ton. Divide lang na to siya gyapon, then cancel ang MT, mabili ng M, and then ang answer is 0.17 meter. And the first step, solve for GOM. GM solid minus GGO equals GOM. Ang atong GM solid is 0.03 this, and our GGO is 0.17 meters. Minus na to siya, and our GGO minus GM solid equals GOM, and our GOM is 0.2, and that's it.